Hi everyone, welcome back again to me. And in this video, I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The title of this article is Ukraine makes push along entire front, Zelensky says as Russia holds gas. This article by Andrea Salal and Pavel Polituk. Mykolaiv, Ukraine, or Kyiv Reuters. Ukrainian troops have attacked Russian positions along the entire front. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said while Russia held gas supplies via a major pipeline, the Germany is citing the need for maintenance. Separately, a team from the UN nuclear watchdog set off from Kyiv towards the Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant in Ukraine's south to assess any damage after shelling nearby sparked fears of a radiation disaster. Ukraine, armed with sophisticated Western supplied weapons, launched a fresh push this week to reclaim territory in the south. Zelensky, who urged Russian soldiers to flee for their lives, said his forces were also on offensive in the east. Active military engagement is now happening along the wall front line in the south, in the Kharkiv region in Donbass, Zelensky said in his nightly address on Tuesday. Russia captured large tracts of southern Ukraine near the Black Sea coast in the early week of the 6-month-old war, including in the Kherson region, which lies north of the Russia-annexed Crimean Peninsula. Ukraine sees recapturing the region as crucial to prevent Russian attempts to seize more territory further west that could eventually cut off its access to the Black Sea. Kyiv has released few details of the offensive. Britannia, an ally of Ukraine, said Ukrainian formation in the south had pushed Russian frontline force back some distance in place, exploiting relatively thin Russian defenses. While it was not possible to confirm the extent of Ukraine's advance, unverified reports, images, and footage on social media suggest its force may have taken back some villages and destroyed some Russian targets in the south. Russia's defense ministry, however, said its troops had routed Ukrainian force, adding that air defense units had shot down dozens of missiles near Kherson. Russia is methodically pressing on with its plans in Ukraine's Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said on Tuesday. All of our goals will be reached, he said. Richard could not verify the battlefield report. Extremely dangerous. The Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, captured by Russian troops in March but still managed by Ukrainian staff, has been a hotspot in the conflict, with both sides trading blame for shelling in the vicinity. The situation at the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant and in Enerhodar and surrounding areas remains extremely dangerous. Zelensky said the risk of a radiation disaster due to Russian action does not decrease for an hour. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and don't comment to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you soon in the next video.